Welcome to my channel, Texas Country Wife. My name is Valerie. I hope you'll enjoy your visit here with me today. Today's video is part of the Christmas Cheer collaboration that I am hosting this year for 2022. It is from December the 1st through December the 23rd. I am going to make a sweet treat that you can have as a breakfast or a dessert during the holidays. Today I'm going to show you how to turn an ordinary tube of cinnamon rolls from the grocery store into these fluffy, delicious, sticky cinnamon buns. Stay tuned and watch how we do it. I wanted to take a minute to show you how I make my fast and easy gooey cinnamon rolls. You need a cake pan, 3 tablespoons of butter cut into 6 pieces, some cinnamon sugar mixture, some brown sugar, a tube of cinnamon rolls, and some milk. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees according to the can. Get your butter in the pan. You're going to throw this pan in the oven and get that butter melted, and then I'll show you what's next. Okay, now my butter is melted. I'm going to take a 1/4 cup of brown sugar and sprinkle this all over. Okay, I'm going to take my spoon here and even this all out. Then I'm going to take my cinnamon sugar mixture here and sprinkle that all over the top. Get that mixed in. Then next I will put the cinnamon rolls on top of this and we'll get it in the oven with a splash of milk on top of the rolls. Okay, now I've got my cinnamon rolls in the pan and I have a 1/4 cup of milk here. I'm just going to pour the milk over the top of the cinnamon rolls. And I'm just using 2% milk because that's what I have here. Okay, now we're going to get that in the oven. And the package says to bake this for 13 to 17 minutes, so that's what we're going to do. I'll show you when it's done. And the cinnamon rolls are done. They're beautiful, golden brown, still soft to the touch, but brown and delicious. Now we're going to let this sit here for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to invert them on a plate and show you what these gooey, yummy, delicious brown sugar butter cinnamon rolls look like from a can. And there they are, inverted onto a plate after sitting for about 3 to 4 minutes. Delicious, glistening, buttery brown sugar caramel sauce on there with a little extra cinnamon sugar added. And once those cool down, we will put the frosting on them. Or you don't have to put the frosting on them if you don't want to, but heck, I have it, why not? My hubby said, let's eat them warm. He can't wait. Cinnamon rolls are one of his favorite things, so I'm going to go ahead and start frosting these. And just put the frosting on there. I mean, who hasn't already made, packaged cinnamon rolls? But why not spruce them up a little bit and make them gooey, yummy, delicious cinnamon rolls, right? Oh yeah, those are going to be delicious. And there we have it. 2 of those little cinnamon rolls served up. They are light and fluffy and airy like this and gooey. Absolutely delicious. My family loves it when I make them like this. So the next time you buy a tube can of cinnamon rolls, grab your brown sugar and your butter and your cinnamon and your milk and doctor them up. Make them really good. Enjoy.